Good morning, everybody. Today we're here at our job site, and this is just one of the parts of this job that we have. This is kind of a big project, and we're just going to do it by parts, and I'm just here showing you what we are going to do it today. This is like a week process for us, and today we're going to do we're going to run our surface cleaner all through this, try to get out this rust, all these walls, this back wall right here. We're doing this load and unload area and try to take out all these dark spots from the top of this wall right here, also on the inside of this in here. Let's see if I can show a little bit of this. The top of that, all those walls, and clean all the flooring in here. Try to take out as much of this rusting, I don't know if that's what you'd call it, but as much of that as we can. We're gonna do all these sides right here, all of this. All of these walls. You can see here. You see these darker spots. So yeah, that's our job for today, and I'll get back to you guys as soon as we are done here, or I'll show you a little bit of the process. So I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Guys, I'm here with the final product after many days. It's been many days since we finished this one, but we were just doing all of the curbs today. As you can see, all this curbing in this area, super clean, brand new looking curbs. These curbs actually took a lot longer than we anticipated, just because of how dirty they were, and leaving the dirt on this asphalt here was leaving a really bad look. So we had to push it all the way down through all these lots, through all these curbs. So yeah, this is one of the first areas that we finished. I'm gonna go down here to areas that I remember were really dirty. This wall right here was really dirty, really bad. All of this asphalt, really, this concrete was really dirty, as you can see now, both sides. We also took some of the rust out. Some of it's really old, so we weren't able to, and these back walls here were also dirty. So yeah, that's it, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next spot.